Welcome to Anandi's kitchen. Today we are going to learn biscuit cake. For this cake, you will need 2 Parle G biscuit packet of 10 rupees, hide and seek packet of 30 rupees, milk bikis packet of 10 rupees, 1 Eno soda 1 pack, and milk 2.5 cup, and sugar 10 spoons. So let's get started. First we will put all the biscuits in a bowl. Break all the biscuits. So we have breaked all the biscuits. Now they are ready for grinding. I am putting half the biscuits in my mixture jar. Add 10 spoons of sugar and grind it. Now we will grind the other half too. We'll mix both. Now we will transfer the whole powder in a big bowl so that we can mix easily. Now we will add milk little by little and mix well. Stir it nicely. You may blend with the blender. Blend it just for a minute, not more than that. Now we will add Eno soda. Eno soda we will add only in the end. Blend it again. Let Eno soda mix nicely. So we are almost done. Our batter is ready. Now we will shift this batter in the cake pan. I have this silicone cake pan. It's very comfortable, very easy to use, and can be used in microwave easily. I have one more microwave vessel. Half the batter I am going to put in this. Before that, we will preheat the oven for 20 seconds and grease the vessel nicely with butter or ghee. We will pour a little amount of maida for greasing it. I am using a spoonful of maida and spread it everywhere and share it in each and every corner. Tap it slowly, keep turning and keep tapping it so that everywhere the maida is spread. So now I have greased it. Now let's put the batter in it. Tap it lightly. I have preheated the oven for 20 seconds already. Now I am keeping the pan. I'll keep it for 5 minutes. So it's done. Let's check it with the toothpick. It must not stick. Yes, it is not sticking, so it's almost ready. Let's take it out. Now I am keeping the other one again for 5 minutes. Now let's roll on a knife on the corners of the cake so that we can demold it easily. First, let it cool down. So I have demolded it after cooling. See, so soft. Now the other one is also ready. See how beautiful. This cake is very easy, very simple, and very soft and very tasty too. Please try and let me know your views. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.